In a dense forest, far from the reach of the sun, lived Mantisfly, a small spider whose life was spun. With 8 tiny legs and a heart that was pure, she wove her web with skill and great allure. One day, a small ant named Anty wandered near to Mantisfly's web, with curiosity so dear. "Who spins such beauty in these darkened trees?" Anty whispered, admiring Mantisfly with ease. Mantisfly replied, "A simple art I weave, a web that catches insects to sustain my leave. But it's not just to catch my dinner, Anty dear. It's a lesson in patience and wisdom to steer." "Patience?" asked Anty, her eyes wide with surprise. "Yes, Anty," Mantisfly answered, "let me explain with wise. To weave a web, I sit and wait with care. For something to catch, I must be patient and prepare." "But why, dear Mantisfly, must one wait so long? Aren't there other ways to live and belong?" "Life isn't always fast, Anty," Mantisfly said. "Sometimes we must learn to walk, not run ahead. Wisdom, too, is a web that we must weave. With patience and time, it will surely conceive. We must wait for life's lessons to unfold. For wisdom is not found in a story untold." And so, Anty, Mantisfly concluded, "I hope this tale has shown you the value of patience and grace in weaving a web, or a life, or a day. Patience will guide you, come what may." With a nod, Anty left Mantisfly's abode. In her heart, the lesson of patience she strode. From that day forth, she learned to slow her pace, and kindness and wisdom soon became her grace.